Hello everyone. Today we are going to see some of the additional features for Apache Commons Lang 3. So we have two important features. One is lazy initialization and builder class support. So lazy initialization make if we need to declare a class that is too expensive in case of memory usage or something, we can prevent the initialization until it is required. So we will create a class that will support the lazy initialization. So we can see how we will do that. So here I am going to create a model package where I am going to create my expensive class. So here I create a package model and I create a Java class called vehicle or something. So I assume this one is a expensive class because so many methods, so many instance variables. So make it as a expensive one. So I'm not going to initialize here. So I'm just use that class here, and I need to add some other features here. If I am just name should be enough to show how it works. So I'm just string name, and I need to have some constructor, and also getter and setter is fine, but it doesn't matter because to show how lazy initialization is works, that's our aim. So here in util, yeah, probably I will create a service package where I will create a lazy initialization class. So here I'm going to create a package. I will name it as a service, and inside that I will create a class vehicle initializer. Okay, so here we need to extend lazy initializer. So we'll get some, yeah, it's in lang 3 concurrent package. So it's already, and I need to mention which class I need to make it lazy initializer. So here I have options, and here it's asking for implement methods. So if we are going here inside this one, this is a method, this is a concurrent, oh sorry, that's a concurrent exception. So this is the method. So if we are going inside our parent class, this is an abstract class. We have only one method, that's get, and there is an abstract method initialize that we need to initialize in our program. So here I have initialize, and I'm just returning my new instance, new vehicle, and I need to give the name. Okay, so this way we can do the initialization. So how we will use that initialization we can see here in our program example. So this is a vehicle initializer. So whenever we are using this initializer, there is one method called get that will provide this initialize instance. So we can see that here public static void main string args, and inside this one I will declare my method here, regular initializer, and I should have a new instance. And here we are going to do that. So I'm just writing a print statement here, and I am using this one to get a vehicle instance, and I'm using so here I will get, yeah, there is one handle exception. Okay, then after I'm getting that method, okay, I'm just printing that method so we will get an idea whether it's a vehicle class or something. So yeah, we can see that it's an instance of vehicle. So that's for lazy initialization, and another one is builder class. So we have a builder class support also. Also, we can make this lazy initialization thread safe by using synchronized block. I'm not going for that right now. Another one, HashCode builder class. So that's the one we are going to discuss right now. So if we have a class and we need to rewrite our hash code, we can do that by HashCode builder class. So I'm creating a hash code here. So in hash code, and I am using hash code builder class here. New hash code builder class. And what I am going to do is we need to pass some arguments here. So if we are going here, there is initial word number, multiple word number. So we can pass two arguments at a time. So I am going to pass something like a random number. Then after that, what I am going to do is I can append something in whatever. Then after that, I can append multiple, but I am not going for that. To hash code will provide the hash code. So after doing this one, if I need to print this one to the output, that also I can do here. So if I am just okay, or multiple. So this cannot be even. So multiple odd number, initial odd number and multiple odd number. That's the way only we can create the hash code. So these are the two important methods that sometimes we will use in our program using the Apache Commons library. Another one, thread factory builder. So basic thread factory, there is one class called basic thread factory. It will build a thread factory. So we can see that also here, basic thread factory. It's also include Apache Commons lang 3, and I am just making factory, and here new basic thread factory. And we need to pass an argument here. We don't need to pass an argument here. Here, okay, there is one builder that we can use. Then there is a naming pattern. Here I can mention the naming pattern, something like thread or something. Then make it as a daemon thread. That also I can do. So it will run in the background, and the priority can specify the priority thread to max priority. Then after all we need to build. So this way we can create a thread factory. So that's all about the concurrent classes available in Apache Commons and 3. So thank you for watching.